Hello everyone, welcome to Diamond Granite Countertop, where we bring the expert tips and advice on maintaining your granite countertop. I'm Jaskaran Singh, owner of Diamond Granite Countertop. Today I'm excited to guide you through the process of resealing granite countertops. Let's get started and ensure your countertop remains stunning for years to come. All granite countertop need resealing. The timing for resealing depends on their color and pattern. So if you want to know how often you need to reseal your granite countertop, you can call any fabricator like us and you can tell the name of your stone and they can tell you how often you need to reseal it. But if you bought a pre-constructed house from a previous owner and you have no idea when did they install the countertop and if it's resealed or not, so the best bet at that time is to reseal it right away. Let's say you're getting a new countertop and your fabricator is going to seal it at the shop, or some fabricators, they install the countertop at your house and then they seal it. Depending how much you use it, the sealer will eventually come off from the countertop and the pores will be open again. So once the pores are exposed, it will absorb anything, water, wine, any colors you use, anything in the kitchen, it can go inside the stone. So, which is very hard to remove it from there. Another problem you can face, so over the time you compromise the strength of your countertop as well. As you know, your countertop are expensive, but resealing the countertop, it's not expensive. So it's best to reseal it whenever you think it's necessary. Resealing your countertop, it's not that hard, but still if you think you cannot do it, you can call us or you can call any fabricator in your area and then they can come and reseal it for you. But if you think you can do it by yourself, I can guide you through what you need and how easy it is. So let's talk about what do you need first to reseal your countertop. There are only few things. You need acetone to clean it, some rags, and a granite sealer. So you can go to any supplier, Home Depot or Lowe's, anywhere you can find these things easily. So first, what you need to do, use acetone to clean your countertop surface. If you spot anything on it, like any stain or anything that is on the surface, just remove it and let it dry for a little while. After that, you need to apply sealer on it. So once you apply, distribute evenly everywhere and leave it only for, let's say, 10 minutes. But every sealer has directions on it and it explains you how much you need to wait. But usually it's 10 to 15 minutes depending on the weather. If it's too hot, then you might need to wait less. If it's not too hot, then you can wait a little longer as well. But the thing is, the main point you need to see is you don't want it to dry properly. So you apply everywhere and wait a little bit and then just buff it with the cloth. So you need to buff it as much as you can so you see the shine everywhere evenly. Once you see that it's even everywhere, just leave it, don't touch it for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Because what happens if it's not dry properly, you touch it, you leave your handprints on it. With the sunlight, you can see the handprints and everything. So don't touch it for 30 minutes an hour and that's it. You're good to go. With these easy steps, you can keep your countertop brand new for years to come. If you have any questions, you can leave the comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel as we're bringing everyday new tips how to keep your countertop new, as we discuss everyday new tips on any stone or new material comes in the market. So please keep following us. Thank you for watching the video.